Today I'm telling you why you've been cleaning your melted wax stains all wrong, and then I'll show you how to do it right in just a few seconds. If you like burning candles in your home, you've probably spilled melted wax on a carpet or any kind of fabric more than once. And every time it happens, no matter what you do, it feels impossible to remove. I mean, yes, you can try and scrape it off with your finger or a knife or some other tool, but there is just no way to take it all off. Well, there is, and it's actually really easy to do. The process is quite simple. All you need is an iron and some paper towel. The idea here is melting the wax with the iron while allowing the paper towel to absorb it at the exact same time. Just be careful with your iron settings so you don't burn or damage anything, okay? And all that scraping does help because it removes the excess and makes it easier and quicker to remove that nasty wax stain. And there you have it, the wax stain is all gone.